is Nikita here. Welcome to my channel Creativities with Nikita. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a very beautiful detailed watercolor painting. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'm taking a thick brush, a small bowl of water and a white color from the poster color box. Now apply the white color as a base or primer color so that all the color just dissolve or diffuse with each other. Now using the same thick brush, I'm applying the orange color as a base color for the girl. If you want to do a dark skin girl, then you have to apply yellow ochre for the base color instead of orange color. In the meantime, if you loved my videos, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, blog, Pinterest and DAILYMOTION, that is Creativities with Nikita. All of the links will be down in the description box below. Wash and clean the brush with water and then diffuse the orange color with light-handed as I'm showing you in the video. Now I am mixing orange color, yellow ochre and burnt sienna to apply shade on the face of the girl. If the mixture is dark, then always mix it with white color to dilute the shade. Now take a wet clean brush and just blend the dark color with the light base color. Don't forget to absorb the excess water from the brush with the help of an old cloth. Now I am mixing dark brown with burnt sienna to add some definitions behind her face. Take a clean wet brush to blend all the harsh edges. I'm just applying a little bit of burnt sienna and dark brown mixture to add dimensions on her face. Don't forget to blend the harsh lines of the dark color after each and every application. I have shown each and every details of doing watercolor painting as much as possible. I hope it would help you a lot. Now to highlight her eyes and to add just more popping color, I am adding chrome yellow from the poster color box. Now I am applying a combination of orange and red color from the artist watercolor cakes just to add more dimensions and depth to her eyelids. Now I am applying a bit of more brown to her inner corners so that it gives a shadow effect. Now I am mixing black, dark brown and burnt sienna to do her eyebrows. Using here the same brush, but if you want you can definitely use a thin brush. Clean the brush and then just diffuse the harsh lines from the inner corner as I am showing you in the video. Do the same for the other one. Applying the same color to add dimensions to her eyelids. Now start outlining her eye very slowly. Blend the same color with a clean brush very minutely. I have used the same mixture of brown and black to do her eyeballs and also her lashes. Now for her hair, I am applying a combination of chrome yellow and yellow ochre from the poster color box. I'm using the same brown and black mixture to add definitions and textures to her hair little by little and just blending it with a clean brush. I'm using the black and brown mixture to define her hair strands. Now apply more of the dark brown mixture wherever required so as to add more depth to her hair. Now I'm applying a little bit of white color just to make sure that all the colors blend very easily. Now I'm adding orange color and vermilion hue to add a base color for her lips. Then clean the brush and just diffuse each and every harsh lines of the color. Now I am mixing vermilion hue and red color to add some pigmentation to her lips. Just dabbing the dark color and just blending it with a clean brush. I have left some white patches on the lips so that it looks fuller and plump. Now adding dark brown color to show the depth of her lips. Applying the same color to add more definitions if needed to her face. The flower which I have used here as a prop, I'm using a lemon yellow shade from the poster color to apply as a base color, and then I will apply the shade using yellow ochre from the same poster color box. You can also add a brighter shade, that is chrome yellow, to add some dimensions and brighter shade. Apply the shade to the flowers using yellow ochre in such a way that it looks realistic. Now I am applying a mixture of burnt sienna and dark brown to the center of the flower, just like dots, to add pollens to the flower. Applying the same dark mixture to the petals to add more definitions. Don't forget to blend all the harsh lines of the dark color using a clean wet brush. Switching to a thick wet brush, now I'm loading it with some crimson red to apply blush to her cheeks and nose. You can also add bloopers to her face with a light brown color and a thinner brush, but I am skipping it. Now I'm applying cerulean blue, that is the sky blue from the palette, using a thick brush to the background just as a complementary shade. Now to highlight her hair strands, I am applying white and yellow ochre mixture using a thin brush. Now as you can see that my beautiful watercolor detailed painting is completed. So I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.